Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. Dear brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed humans in different relationships, making some of them fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, and so on and so forth. After establishing these relationships, Allah Almighty has determined their rights. Each of these rights must be fulfilled. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the rights of parents immediately after his servitude and obedience. This indicates that the greatest right in relationship is that of parents. So from the Holy Quran and Hadith we have learned that parents have 14 rights upon their children, 7 during their lifetime and 7 after death. I have Brother Abdul Muttalib alongside me who will tell us the rights of parents during their lifetime. Brother Abdul Muttalib, what are their rights during their lifetime?
زندگی میں اولاد پر والدین کے 7 حقوق ہیں. نمبر 1, دل و جان سے ان کی عزت و احترام کرنا اگرچہ وہ کافر ہوں.
To honor and respect them with all our heart and soul even if they are non-Muslims.
نمبر 2, حسن سلوک اور محبت و الفت کا معاملہ کرنا.
To treat them with kindness, love and affection.
نمبر 3, شریعت کے دائرے میں رہتے ہوئے ان کی اطاعت کرنا.
To obey them while remaining within the scope of Sharia.
نمبر 4, ان کے احسانات اور کابشوں کی قدر کرنا.
To appreciate their efforts and favors.
نمبر 5, ان کے حاجات و ضروریات کو پوری کر کے انہیں راحت پہنچانا.
To provide them with comfort by fulfilling their needs and requirements.
نمبر 6, ان کی شادابی اور لمبی عمر کے لیے دعا کرنا.
To pray for their health and its longevity.
لاسٹ نمبر 7, ان کی کثرت سے زیارت کرنا.
To visit them frequently. And what are their rights after death?
انتقال کے بعد اولاد پر والدین کے 7 حقوق ہیں. نمبر 1, ان کے لیے دعائے مغفرت کرنا بشرطے کہ مسلمان ہوں.
To pray for their forgiveness provided that they are Muslims.
نمبر 2, ایصال ثواب کرنا بشرطے کہ مسلمان ہوں.
To convey their reward provided that they are Muslims.
نمبر 3, ان پر کسی کا قرض ہو تو ادا کرنا.
To pay off any debts they may have.
نمبر 4, ان کی وصیت پوری کرنا.
To fulfill their will.
نمبر 5, ان کے رشتہ داروں اور دوست احباب کا اکرام کرنا.
To honor their relatives and friends.
نمبر 6, ان کے اعزاء و اقارب اور دوستوں کی معاونت کرنا.
To support their dear relatives and friends.
نمبر 7, وقتاً فوقتاً ان کے قبر کی زیارت کرنا.
To visit their graves time to time.
اپنے اپنے والدین کا خیال رکھیں اور ان کے حقوق کی ادائیگی کریں.
Dear friends, take care of your parents and fulfill their rights.